Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Kohree low voltage landscape lights. 12 voltage plug in LED outdoor landscape spotlight for garden, light, ground, IP65 waterproof, and the package contains 4 of them. You can use only one, you can use 2, 3, or all of them, 4. Because there is a hub behind the AC adapter. Great brightness. 4 pieces of 3 watt COB LED landscape spike lights. 270 lumen per one. 4-in-1 GQ connector. 360 degrees adjustable lights and glass lens with high transmittance. 24-degree beam angle. Perfect decoration and illumination for your garden, yard, patio, pathway and driveway. It has a safe and energy saving system. 12 volt low voltage ensures safety and saves more energy. Standard UL adapters offers you a more stable and safer environment. It is durable and waterproof too, made out of aluminium alloy which resists corrosion, cracking and rust and provides longer lifespan. Non-plastic spike. This I like very much. IP65 waterproof, adapts to the climate change, ideal for all year different outdoor uses. Scientific design. They offer us the extra 4 LED lids to cover the connection hub, which is not in use to keep safe. And it comes with additional 4 cables with 6.56 feet each for extension to eliminate larger areas. And it is easy, really easy to install. It is a 4-in-1 plug system, IP65 waterproof, 1080 IM super bright, 360 degrees adjustable, 12 volt low voltage power, and DIE casting aluminium. Oh, that is nice. 3 watt COB LED garden lights, low working voltage but higher illumination, more safety, more energy saving. And you have a connection hub. The connection hub lids, 4 of them, it is to cover the connection hub which is not in use to keep safe and prolong its lifespan. 4 additional connection extension cords, 6.56 feet, these are 2 meters each, for extension to eliminate large areas. Totally length is 19.68 feet, these are about 6 meters. This is enough. I think so. In my garden it's enough. You will see it later. Ultra bright spotlight. 4 pieces of COB LED lights concentrate more light. 260 lumens per light. Glass lens with high transmittance. Bright enough for outdoor use. Well constructed by aluminium alloy, durable to use. IP65 rated waterproof property enables it to resist to the bad weather outside, such as snow, rain days and thunder days. Not Thunderdome. And you are able to 360 free rotation mode. It can be adjusted to light up any places, offering best lights for the walls, trees, couches and fences. Perfect decoration for our garden. And it has a built-in transformer. Not the transformer, not the toy. It's a transformer AC adapter. No additional AC adapter required. the 12 voltage compatibility most low landscape lighting system. I mean, you can add other lighting system maybe to it. High light efficiency and brightness. Save more energy and pay less for your electrical bill. What we are going to become here? The LED wattage is 3 watt 4 times. These are lumens, 270 lumens 4 times. The color temperature 3000 Kelvin, warm white. The input voltage AC from 100 volt to 240 volt. In Europe, it is 240 volt, 230 volt. And that means you are able to use it in the States, Great Britain, and Europe, all over Europe. The output voltage is 12 volt. The beam angle is 24 degrees. The spike length is 16 centimeters. These are 6.3 inches. And the spike is made out of aluminum too. This is awesome. Now, let's assemble it. It's easy to assemble. Inside the box, you have the spikes. The spikes you have to assemble on the bottom side of the plate of each light system. For this, use a screw and the O-ring under it, and then tighten the screw with the spike. You also can use a screw to assemble or attach the LED light, each LED light, on a board, a wooden board, for example. Or you use the spikes. This is for the ground. And then you are able to connect the wires easily. There is a seal, a round seal over it. Then you dock it on the AC adapter first, and after this on the hub. Each LED light you have to dock on one plug and plug it into the hub, and then seal it by the old sealing system. And if you not are going to use all the 4 of them, you have a cap for it to bring it back waterproof. That is easy to install, as you can see. It's easy to adjust. Only rotate the LED spotlight a little bit. This is enough. And if you are tighten the side screws, this will hide it in position. Easy installation and easy to use. So now let's have a look. It is easy. Only plug it into your power supply, and then you can see the awesome brightness level there. So now let's assemble it into my garden. Now we are going to make a nice garden ambient. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.